What's up, chat? So today we are playing Dark Deceptions. I've never seen this game, played it, or none of that. Let's get right into it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Alright, let's get right into it. So I said there's chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there's number 5. So we'll go through these. We'll do 2 and 3 and 4 in a future video. Get right into it. Y'all know I can't do scary games, so let's see how this thing goes.
The pieces to a powerful ring hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals. Find them and bring them to me.
You do that. I'm not doing your to-do list.
Fail.
I'm not gonna lie.
And you'll find there are fates far
bad.
worse than death awaiting you here.
Like if I pour water on you, you'll melt. Do I got to, bro? I don't want to, bro. I'm already getting scared. I already got goose. Oh, you can run. Okay, bet.
Clock's ticking.
Huh? I love Jesus. Monkey business. Huh? Okay.
What a charm.
Where the monkeys at? Oh, shit. Home timing doorbell?
Bring back any memories?
Hey, I need a key. Try to get into a cribbo. Oh, what's up, my boy? Oh, this way? Thank you. Yeah, you ain't funny. That shit not scare me. What, you gonna do it too? Huh? Who the fuck is that? Who is that? Hey, yo, homie. I heard you got that WAP. Hey, chill out, bro. Hey, don't leave me, bro. You drove me here. Hey. Man, what I do now? See, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be lost this whole game. I bet it. Go.
Going up?
No, down. Hey, who forgot to pay the light bill? Oh shit.
Now listen,
bro, what happened to your head, bro?
See those floating bits of crystal?
Uh-huh.
Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze. Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here.
Dang.
Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Man,
One
yo,
more thing.
ugly. What?
You're not alone.
What do you mean?
There are monsters in here.
Where?
They're looking for you. Here, you'll need this.
What
It can detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here.
It's alright, baby girl. I ain't gonna disappoint you.
Girl.
I ain't gonna
Just not
disappoint
a
you,
very
baby girl.
fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
I honestly don't want to though. Like, yeah, I'll get these 2 easy ones. Do I have like a limit on my sprint? Okay, let's just get to going then. What the f? I'm already getting goosebumps, bro. I cannot do this. Yo, stop opening the door. Oh my god, stop! Yes, sir. That boy cooking. I'm scared. You motherfuckers keep opening. What is that? What is that? No, 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 no. Oh!
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
Huh? Bro, that hurt my back. My back. My back. Wait, it restarts? There's 263 pieces. You got me f***ed up. I gotta run from this ugly bitch. Oh my god. Hey, can you tell your homeboy to chill out, bro? Like, we could be on the chill side, right? Alright, I'm going this way. No, I'm scared, bro. What the f? Hey, just sprint. Just go. It is behind me. Mom! Ah! Someone help! It's the police! Ah! Bro, I can't do this.
With murder monkeys.
Bro. I cannot do this, bro. I do not like the scary. I only got one life left, bro. Like, oh my god. How do you even run away from him? He's right there. 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 He's behind me. Run, run, run. Weave, weave. Hit that corner. He's coming! I'm coming! Ah! Go, 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 go! Oh my god, I can hear. He's right behind me. He's right behind me. He's right behind me. He's right behind me. Oh shit! Bro, I can't do this, bro. Bro. Don't laugh at me. Bro, this is gonna be hard. I don't care. You know, I don't give a fuck about no raking. Wait, it's... Alright, let's get going. Go, 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 go. Wait, it does save. It's been like, it was at 200 earlier. Bro, this shit is scary. Bad. I mean, nope, 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 nope. Help! Help!
Good for you.
Police!
I hope you choke on.
Police! Bro, open the door or something. He is on my ass! Somebody help! Help me! Help! Oh, wait, that's the beginning right there. Oh, nah! Run, boy. Hit the burners on this man!
Yeah, but it's half of
No, he's right there. He is on my ass. He is on my ass. He is
That's what you get monkeying around
bro.
with murder monkeys.
Bro, what did you just call me? Bro, this thing is too scary. I can't handle this, bro. This is not good for me at all. Can I like go in here, bro? Like, can y'all open up? Like, there's gonna be chilling. Bro, no, 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 no. I heard him. He went that way. He went this. Wait, can we cut into here? Hold on. Ah! Bro,
Already.
who the monkey? Whose monkeys are these, bro?
Nobody liked you anyway.
What did I do to you, bro? We can be chill. Like, come on now. Wait, I gotta click all of them in 3 lives, bro. Nope. I heard him. Nope. Nope. Yeah, stay where you can turn corners, because they turn corners slowest. Go, 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 go. I'm not playing around. Keep it pushing. He's right there. I wish I could see them or something. Yo, 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 yo. Bro, put the knife down. We can talk about this, bro. Please. We can talk about this. Just like, give me like a minute, bro. I'm just trying to find my room. Have you seen my room, bro? Oh shit, bro.
You are dead.
He's laughing at me, bro. Last checkpoint. I don't care. Last checkpoint. I don't care. Yeah. I don't care. Holy shit. Oh my god. I'm just trying to find where my room at, bro. Like, can y'all call? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nah, my boy. I'm good. Weave. I was playing, bro. I was playing. Chill. Mama. I don't like this game. There's another one. They're gonna corner me. Run. Oh my, bro. They come out of
To
nowhere.
root for the monkeys.
Bro, they come out of nowhere. Like, give me a break, bro. I'm going this way. I wish I could see him on my map or something. Leave me alone, bro. Hey, we can talk about this. We can talk about this, please. Yo, please, my boy. We can talk about this, bro. I just cooked his ankles, bro. Fuck out of here. Bro.
Dead already?
I can't, bro. I
That's
can't
okay.
do this, bro.
Nobody liked you anyway.
Yeah, shut up. That's why your pussy stank. Dry, wrinkly old bitch. No. Bro, put the knife down, bro. We can talk about this like a professional way, bro. Like, put the knives down, bro. We can talk about this. Please put the knife down. I mean, damn, put it away, bro. I'm dipping. I don't care. Hitting these corners like it's nothing. Keep pushing, bro. Just keep it pushing. I'm not even going nowhere near there, bro. I got shit crawling on my neck, bro. Why is it red? Why my little dot red? Yes. Go. Oh, I already know. You're going right there. Keep pushing. Bro, there's gotta be a way where you can like juke him out or something, bro. This junk is no joke. Alright, at least we got 15 more, bro. It's easy. Alright, where those 15 at, though? Right here. Bid it. Little stupid monkeys, bro. Like, why are y'all coming after me in the first place? What, I owe you rent money or something? Ah, shit. Hey, bro, I paid my bill for this week, bro. Chill. Oh my god. Oh my god, that man is on my ass. Look at this man. Weave? What? You thought? Hey, I was playing, bro. I was playing. Chill. Oh my god, he mad. Oh, right here. He's one right there. Dude! Bro.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
Ooh, I was about to smack my desk, bro. How many I got left? 4 again? Oh, that scared me, bro. Alright, come on. Get these last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uno, dos, cuatro. Uno, dos, cuatro, cinco. Yeah. Woo, shit. Weave. Guess what? Angles 4. Guess what?
You've gathered
Yeah! Ugh, ugly man,
now
boy.
exposed, and the monsters will
Wait, huh? What? He's right behind me! Yo, chill, bro! Oh, I gotta find the way back. Oh, shit. Oh, GG's. G fucking G's, bro. This one over here. Where's he at? Oh, it's the chef. Right here. Please don't cut me off. Please don't cut me off. Bro, it's right there. Oh, he's trying to blend me up in the blender. No. That man quick. I can hear him. At least it's just one, bro. Nope. Ah! Run, boy! Oh my god. No, I'm not. Keep pushing. Ankles. Keep pushing. Oh yeah. Keep pushing. Right here. Yo!
dead already.
He was camping the fucking spot!
Liked you anyway.
Man, fuck you. That man was camping the spot.
The ring piece is now exposed.
Man, shut the
The
hell up.
monsters will go in.
Woo! Oh my god! Bro, they're camping the spot! What am I supposed to do?
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The
Watch.
ring piece is now exposed.
Look.
And the monsters will go into our prisons. Capture the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Bro, why are they camping the spot, bro? Get off that spot, me, bro. Like, they're about to cut me off. Oh my, bro, get your oogly boogly giggly ass on my face, bro.
Nobody liked you anyway.
Man, shut up.
You've gathered all of the soul
Bro,
shards.
how many times am I,
The
bro?
ring
See, how
piece
can
is now
people do this?
exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy.
I'm gonna open the
The
door.
ring piece
Something
before
over
Mr.
there.
Monkey finds you.
Man, they camping the door. What am I supposed to do? Look. I think we gotta kill these boys on the chase, I'm not gonna lie. You gotta hit them corny. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm trying to kill these boys on the chase, don't get that. Come get me, boy. Can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Oh shit, can you see my darling? Let me shut my ass up and lock in. Yep, give me a spot. Oh! Oh! I thought he was gonna
That's
follow
what
me.
you get for monkeying around
Man,
with
shut up.
murder monkeys.
No murder monkeys. Murder monkey K.
You've gathered all of the soul shards.
Look, they
The
camping
ring
the
piece is
door,
now
bro.
exposed, and the monsters will go into
Look!
Get to the ring
No
piece
big
before
goofy
Mr.
ass.
Monkey finds you.
It's like a damn cartoon character. I think we take these boys along right here.
You are
What am I supposed to do?
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed.
Look at that
The
fast.
monsters will go into
Come on.
a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr.
Woo,
Monkey
shit! Alright, I got 2 on me. Is that all of them? And you're supposed to do this with 3 lives, bro. No. Oh yeah. I should have went. Fuck.
That's what you get for monkeying
How
around
many
with
are
murder
there?
Monkeys.
Stun orbit. What?
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Yeah, Mr. Monkey. Oh my god, he is right there. He is right fucking there. Oh, there's another one. We hit that corner. Straight for it. Good shit. Monsters too. Oh yeah, good shit.
He knows you're here now.
Good shit, Cash.
Get to the portal. Hurry!
Where? Who knows I'm here? Hey! Somebody close that! Bro. Yeah. Stay out there, boy. Made boy. Yeah, we smoking on them monkeys. I just spit shit all over me. Monkey cake!
Run!
What you mean? Oh no!
There's no escape for you.
I'm gone. Good shit, Cash. Oh, and I got a rank B. Hell yeah. What's up, Shady?
8 more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
8. You must got me fucked up, cause ain't no way. Hey. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what y'all want to see next. And yeah, y'all, this game was fun. It was annoying as hell. I hate the monkeys, but hey, it is what it is. Chat, I love y'all. Like, subscribe. Bye, y'all.
Put 6 on the head, they gon' give his ass took down. I'm on the block right now till sundown. Young nigga reach for the chain, hear a gun sound. Young nigga hop out, 5-5 gun down. Hop out on the arc, give a fuck nigga run down. 5-5 shit won't stop getting run round. Won't shoot shit, little bro, put your